What if missing simple steps now hurts your family later? Banks use smart computers to help customers every single day. These computers spot fraud and protect your money from thieves. Loan approvals can happen faster when your records look good. You can prepare now and benefit from better banking tools. Many families will see big changes in banking by 2027. Starting good money habits today gives you a big head start. Automatic transfers put money into savings before you spend it. Your credit score decides what rates you get on loans and cards. Paying every bill on time builds a stronger credit score quickly. Check your credit report for free several times a year. Fix any mistakes you find on your credit report right away. High-interest savings accounts pay you more for keeping money there. Move your emergency fund into a high-interest savings account today. An emergency fund covers 3 to 6 months of living costs. Start with even $25 each week into savings. Watching your savings grow brings real peace of mind every month. Bank apps now show your spending in simple, colorful charts. These charts help you see where your money goes each month. Cut small, wasteful spending and watch your savings add up fast. Set a monthly budget that covers needs before any wants. Needs include rent, food, utilities, and minimum debt payments first. Wants are eating out, movies, and new clothes you can skip. Following a simple budget gives you control over your money. Many people feel less stress when they know their numbers. Smart computers at banks can remind you about upcoming bills. Turn on bill alerts so you never miss a payment again. Missing payments hurts your credit and adds costly late fees. Protect your debit and credit cards with strong, unique passwords. Never share your bank login details with anyone who calls you. Banks will never ask your password over the phone or email. Watch for fake messages that look like they come from your bank. AI deepfake scams are rising, so stay alert with every call. If something feels wrong, hang up and call your bank directly. Real bank workers can help you confirm if a message is real. Keep your phone and computer software updated for better security. Use two-factor codes sent to your phone for extra safety. These small steps protect your family money from clever thieves. Your kids can learn good money habits by watching what you do. Talk about saving and spending with your children in simple words. Open a special savings account just for your kids' future goals. A 529 plan helps pay for college with tax benefits. Start putting even a little money into it every single month. Compound growth means your money earns more money over many years. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Picture your child graduating college with less debt because you planned early. That picture becomes real when you take small actions consistently. Retirement accounts like 401k let your money grow tax-free. Ask your employer if they match any of your retirement contributions. Free matching money is like getting extra pay for your future self. Increase your retirement contribution by 1% after every raise you get. You often do not even notice the small increase in savings. Investing in low-cost index funds is simple and works very well. You do not need to pick individual stocks to build wealth. Broad market funds own small pieces of hundreds of good companies. History shows the stock market grows over long periods of time. Stay invested even when the market goes up and down. Panic selling locks in losses, while patience often brings good results. Review your investment mix once a year and make small adjustments. A simple mix of stocks and bonds fits most family goals. Life insurance protects your family if something happens to you. Term life insurance gives big protection for a small monthly cost. Make sure your policy amount covers your mortgage and family needs. Update the people listed as beneficiaries on all your accounts. Beneficiaries receive money directly without going through long legal processes. A simple will tells everyone what happens to your things later. You can make a basic will online for a reasonable price. Review your will and beneficiaries every few years or after big life events. These steps make sure your family is cared for no matter what. Many banks now offer tools that track all your accounts in one place. Link your checking, savings, and investment accounts to see the full picture. Seeing everything together helps you make smarter money choices each month. Some apps even suggest small changes that save you hundreds yearly. Try one new money app this month and see if it helps you. Read the reviews and pick one that feels easy to use daily. Your bank probably has its own free tools inside their mobile app. Log in today and explore the savings and budget features they offer. Turn on automatic savings rules that match your pay schedule. Every time you get paid, a little goes straight into savings. This habit builds wealth without requiring willpower every single day. Celebrate small wins, like your first $1,000 in savings. Small wins keep you motivated to continue good money habits longer. Share your progress with a trusted friend to stay accountable. Accountability partners help you stick with plans even when life gets busy. Remember why you started saving for your family future every week. Write down your family money goals and read them each morning. Clear goals turn daily actions into meaningful steps towards security. By 2027, many families will have stronger money systems. You can be one of those prepared families starting right now. The tools are getting better, and your habits make them work for you. Focus on what you can control, like saving and paying bills on time. You cannot control the economy, but you can control your daily choices. Daily choices add up to big results over 5 or 10 years. 5 years from now, you will thank yourself for starting today. 10 years from now, your family will feel the difference even more. Generational wealth starts with consistent habits passed down to your kids. Show your children how you save and invest in simple ways. Let them help pick a family savings goal, like a vacation. Kids who learn early often grow into adults who handle money well. Your example today shapes their future money story in powerful ways. Review your budget once a month and make small improvements each time. Small improvements compound into big changes over many months and years. Your emergency fund gives you options when unexpected costs come up. Having cash ready means you avoid high-interest debt in hard times. Pay off high-interest credit card debt as fast as you can. The interest you save can go straight into your family savings instead. Every dollar you save from interest is a dollar for your future. Look for ways to increase your income with skills you already have. A side hustle can speed up your savings goals in a big way. Use extra income to boost your emergency fund or retirement contributions. Keep learning simple money lessons from free videos and trusted sources. Knowledge gives you confidence to make better choices for your family. Avoid get-rich-quick offers that sound too good to be true. Real wealth builds slowly with consistent habits over many years. Stay patient and trust the process of good daily money habits. Your future self and your kids will thank you for starting now. The banking changes coming will reward families who prepare with good habits. Smart tools will make it easier to save and invest in the future. Your job is to build the habits that let you use those tools well. Start with automatic savings and watch your money grow without extra effort. Next, check your credit and take one step to improve it this week. Then open or add money to a 529 plan for college. Update your insurance and beneficiaries so your family is protected properly. Make a simple will if you do not have one already. These 5 actions give your family a strong foundation for years ahead. You do not need to do everything at once to see results. Pick one action from this video and do it before the week ends. Small starts lead to big finishes when you keep going every month. Track your progress and celebrate every milestone along the way. Your family legacy is built one good choice at a time. Imagine looking back in 5 years and feeling proud of what you started. That future is possible when you take action starting today. The AI changes in banking are tools that help prepared families most. Preparation means having good credit, savings, and clear money goals. You are already ahead by watching this video and learning these steps. Share what you learned with your partner or family members tonight. Talking about money together makes everyone feel more secure and united. Your home can become a place where good money habits are normal. Kids who see saving and planning grow up with better money skills. You are giving them a gift that lasts their whole lives. Banking in 2027 will look different, but your habits will still matter. Good habits always work, no matter how the tools change over time. Keep your focus on saving, investing, protecting, and teaching your family. These 4 areas cover most of what smart families do with money. You can master them one step at a time without feeling overwhelmed. Start with saving automatically and protecting your accounts from scams. Then move to investing and teaching your kids simple money lessons. Each area you improve makes the next one easier to handle. Your family legacy grows stronger with every positive step you take. The year 2027 will come whether you prepare or not. Families who prepare will have more options and less stress then. You can be one of those families by starting your plan today. Write down your top 3 money actions from this video right now. Put that paper where you see it every day as a reminder. Accountability comes from seeing your goals and taking daily small steps. You have everything you need to secure your family money future. The tools are improving, and your habits make them work for you. Take the first step today and build momentum with every passing week. Your future self will be grateful you started this important journey. Your kids will benefit from the security and habits you build now. Generational wealth is not just money, but also the habits you pass on. Start passing on good habits by talking openly about money at home. Make money conversations normal and positive in your family life. This creates a legacy of financial confidence for the next generation. You are doing important work by learning and applying these simple steps. Every family can build security with the right habits and a little time. You do not need to be perfect to make real progress. Consistent effort beats perfect plans that never get started. Begin where you are with what you have and keep moving forward. The path to family security is clearer now than ever before. You now know how smart banking tools can help your family. Start with one action today, like setting up automatic savings. Fix credit report errors as soon as you discover them. Open a 529 plan and add money this month. Update your insurance and beneficiaries so your family stays protected. Make a simple will if you do not have one already. These steps build real security that lasts for many years ahead. Share this video with someone who wants to secure their family money too. Subscribe for more simple tips on building wealth the smart way. Start today and give your family the future they deserve.